Upgrading the EdgeADC. A tutorial guide by EdgeNexus.
There are two methods of upgrading the EdgeADC. The first is the built-in system that will automatically download the selected upgrade file to the ADC's library, allowing you to install it. The second is the manual or external process whereby you download the upgrade using an HTTPS link, upload it to the library, and install it at your leisure. Which method you choose will depend on whether your ADC has access to the EdgeNexus App Store via the internet. Let's first consider the built-in method. Access to this is available through the Software section, within the Advanced Navigator menu. The process is painless and straightforward, but as mentioned earlier, your ADC requires access to the internet. Let's take a look. Select the Advanced menu within the left side navigator. Select the Software menu item, which will open a new tab, and show the software page in the main window. The ADC will now connect to the Cloud Services Manager, and if the connection is successful, you will see the section titled Download from Cloud populated. This section provides upgrades and service packs available for download and installation. Select the package you wish to download. Click the Download Selected Software button. The software will be downloaded in the background and stored in the Apply Software section, located further down the page. Applying the downloaded build or service pack is easy. Click on the software that you wish to apply to the ADC. Click the Apply Selected Software Update button. The software will be applied. At the end of the process, the screen will refresh. There may be occasions when the ADC will do a soft reboot. The second upgrade method requires you to connect to the EdgeNexus App Store and download the upgrade file. Having the license ID and machine ID available is a prerequisite for this method. The license ID and machine ID are available from the top of the software page, accessed from the Advanced option in the navigator. Open an internet browser and navigate to the EdgeNexus App Store. You will require the ADC's machine ID and license ID to download the software. Once the App Store is open, click the Login link in the top menu bar. You will be presented with the login page. If you have an account for the App Store, log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you can create one and then log in. Once logged in, you will see a sidebar on the right. Click on the Software Update option, located at the top of the sidebar. You will now be shown the Software Update page. Scroll down to the Offline section, and click the link labeled Manual Download. The screen will request the machine ID and license ID at this point. It is paramount that these are entered accurately. Once the IDs entered have been recognized, the App Store will prepare the encrypted download. Once ready, a download link will be displayed on the page. Click on the link and download the upgrade file. When saving the file, please ensure that you do not alter the file name in any manner. Uploading the file to the ADC is easy. As before, navigate to Advanced, Software, and scroll to the Upload Software section. Click the Browse button, and then locate the file you downloaded. Click on the Upload Apps and Software button. Once uploaded, the update will be listed in the Apply Software section below. Click on the listed item, and then, click on the Apply Selected Software Update button. The software will be applied. At the end of the process, the screen will refresh. There may be occasions when the ADC will do a soft reboot. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this tutorial, and I hope we have been able to help you.